Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use HubSpot for sales training, quick tutorial step by step. Open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot login page. Enter your credentials to log into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, click on the Sales tab in the main navigation menu. In the drop-down menu, select Training to access the sales training features. You'll see an overview of available training resources and tools. Explore the Sales Playbooks section to find structured guides for your sales team. Click on a specific playbook to view its content and training materials. Use the Add Playbook button to create a customized training module. Fill in the necessary details, including the title and objectives. In the body section, add relevant content, such as tips and techniques. Incorporate multimedia resources like videos and documents by clicking the Upload button. Once complete, click Save to store your playbook. Next, navigate to the Training tab again to access quizzes and assessments. Click on Create Quiz to design an assessment that complements your training. Input your quiz questions, ensuring they align with your training objectives. Specify the correct answers and time limits for the quiz if desired. Once you've added all questions, click Save to finalize your quiz. Now, move on to the Sales Dashboard for performance tracking. From the dashboard, monitor key metrics like team performance and progress. Use the filtering options to analyze specific time frames for sales activities. Finally, encourage your team to engage with the training materials regularly. Host follow-up meetings to discuss insights and address any questions. By utilizing these features, you can enhance your sales training efforts effectively. Remember to regularly update content to keep the training relevant and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.